Description number 25. Start. Let me now come to the decisions of the Ways Board. Much has been said about the Ways Board decision as if a crime had been done by the Ways Board. There was a haul from the employers and from among the other quarters as if justice had been brought down to dust. What was the decision of the Supreme Court and what were the decisions of the Ways Board? I would like to point out that except in 6 cases, in all other matters, the decisions of the Ways Board were good and the Ways Board had an equal number of employers and the working journalists. That is to say, the employers agreed to all other matters on which decisions had been taken. With regard to these matters, they might have certain ground for criticism. Now, the decisions had been taken through mutual talks. The decisions were taken with a view to settling the dispute amicably across the table by mutual talk, and the labor minister took the initiative. Naturally, efforts were made there in order to see how these decisions could be implemented. It was agreed that the employers should not go to court and the working journalists should not also take certain other militant offensive actions. A gentleman's agreement was arrived at. Then what happened? On the one hand, they were talking about this thing, on the other hand, they were preparing for litigation. On the very day on which this agreement was arrived at and a decision was taken to appoint a body where all the interested parties could discuss and settle matters. A petition was filed on behalf of the employers in the court. Therefore, I think that much of the argument that has been advanced is something which is mischievously wrong, and we ought to take note of it. Sir, according to the Supreme Court, the Wage Board should not have fixed the wages. It seems that the proprietors have gone on all their promises they made. They want even the fixation of the minimum wage to be left to the states. They want the scales to be determined at state levels by tribunals.